Hi everyone. Programming a part in any CAM software can be a disconnected process between what the toolpath looks like on screen and watching it run on a live machine. Fusion gives you the ability to watch the toolpaths you've programmed as they drive a model of your machine. This can help you avoid mistakes and make better programs. Simulation of your toolpaths on your machine tool is so helpful. Once you see it work, you won't want to program without it. Other videos cover the process of creating your own custom machines, but this video will show how to simulate using one of the machines from the Fusion library. The library contains a large number of machines from various manufacturers, as well as some generic Autodesk ones. In this example, a number of toolpaths have already been created for this part, and I want to simulate them to get a good idea of what will happen when they run on the machine tool. Specifying a machine to use for simulation is done from the Setup dialog. You can access the Setup dialog when you create a new setup or by editing an existing one. Right-click on the setup and choose Edit, or simply double-click on the small folder icon to the left of the setup name. Note that there are currently 3 tabs at the top. The Setup tab will show the button to select the machine. This button opens the Machine Library dialog, and it contains a list of machines which have been utilized in various documents and locations throughout Fusion. It also has an item to access the Fusion Online library of machines. The Fusion library has grown to contain a large number of machines. You'll want to use the filters on the right side of the dialog to make it easier to find a particular machine you're looking for. For this video, I'll toggle on the filters Milling, Simulation Ready, and then I'll set the vendor filter to Haas. Notice the small cube-shaped icon on the right side of each machine. When the icon is present, it indicates that the machine and post-processor are simulation ready. After locating the machine you want, copy it to the local folder. The copy in the local folder is one you can customize. It's important to note that even if the name matches your machine, you shouldn't consider it complete until you've reviewed and adjusted its settings to match your machine. The pencil icon at the top of the dialog provides access to the machine definition settings and controls. Other videos are available for more in-depth information on machine definitions. When you do visit the machine definition section, pay particular attention to the kinematic settings because they are critical ingredients of these machine definitions. Most importantly, be certain the NC code that you produce using any machine and post combination is correct and safe for your machine. The machine I want to use is this Haas VF machine with a tilting rotary table. Note that it already has a post processor attached and is simulation ready, as indicated by the cube icon. Once you have a machine selected and return to the Setup dialog, there'll be an additional tab at the top. Where there were only 3 tabs before, now there'll be a 4th tab, one that resembles axes. It's for positioning the part on the machine. This Part Position dialog gives you control over where the part attaches to the machine tool. It does this by allowing you to specify 2 points, one on the part and one on the table. You can further adjust the part position location using the distance fields. It's sometimes handy to slide the part to an approximate location you want, note the value displayed in the distance field, then adjust it to a convenient value. Once you've selected the machine you want to use and adjusted the part location to your preference, click OK to dismiss the Setup dialog. Note that the name of the machine you selected for this setup is now shown in the browser tree. You can use this item to control the visibility of the entire machine or just the base. There are a number of controls in this Simulate with Machine dialog. This one is particularly handy. It provides control over the machine's visibility. Now let's watch a couple simulations with different settings. I'll pause the simulation and show you that we can use this timeline down here to drag through the entire simulation and view the particular parts of the simulation we're most interested in seeing. Now let's simulate the entire setup. Okay, click here, then right-click Simulate with Machine. To build your own simulation-ready machine, check out the links and the resources in the description below. If you found this video helpful, please hit the like and subscribe buttons. It encourages us to make more videos like this. Thanks for watching.